Hello, sir.
Hi, sir.
Uh,
How are you?
I am fine today. Thank you. And what about you?
I'm also fine. So, what is your name?
My name is Gokar. And what about you? What is your name?
My name is Ans. Where are you from?
I am from Lalpur. And what about you? Where are you from?
I am from Basoli. What are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays, doing graduation and learning spoken English. And what about you? What are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays, I am learning spoken English and basic computer. And what do you do?
I study. And what about you? What do you do?
I study. What is your qualification?
I have passed 12th. And what about you? What is your qualification?
I have also passed 12. What do you want to be?
I want to be a successful businessman. And what about you? What do you want to be?
I am also. I want to be a successful person. What kind of successful person do you want to be?
Sector builders. And what about you?
I want to be a doctor. Should you study?
Yes, I should study.
How many hours do you study?
2 to 3 hours. And what about you?
I studied 9 to 8 hours. This is enough for become a businessman.
Yes.
Okay. So have you taken breakfast?
Yes, I have taken breakfast.
What have you taken in your breakfast?
Mm, I take breakfast. I take two breads and one glass milk in my breakfast. And what about you?
I taken one glass milk and two biscuits on in my breakfast. So where have you passed 12th from?
I have passed 12th from Sri Devendra Inter College, Charoli Bagpat. And what about you?
I have passed 12th Biral Adarsh Shiksha Mandir Inter College. When did you pass your 12th?
I passed 12th. Sorry, sir.
When did you pass your 12th?
I passed my 12th.
Okay.
And what about you?
I passed 12th in 2024. So do you have to do a job?
Yes, I have 12th.
Which job do you have to do?
Pardon, sir.
Which job do you have to do?
Sector builders. And what about you?
No, I have not do a job. So how many hours do you watch TV?
Nothing.
Nothing. Why?
Just like that.
Do you like to eat ice cream?
Yes, I like to eat ice cream.
Which flavor do you like to eat?
Cold.
Corn flavor. Okay. So how many ice cream do you eat in a day?
2 to 3.
2 to 3. Yes, sir. Have a great time. See you.
Thank you.